Hello guys, this is the question set number 3 of the DBMS question series. The owner of the Rajapaksha grocery store has decided to buy software to make his day-to-day business easier. The owner of this store has entrusted your organization to develop this software. Assume you are working as a software developer for this company and that you have been assigned to create a software database. First question is use Rajapaksha DB for the name of the database. Draw an ER diagram. So we have to create this database using a ER diagram. New model. Let's rename our database as Rajapaksha DB. Now let's create the ER diagram. So the first table is the customer table. Let's create the table first. So now let's add columns to the table. First column is customer registration number. Data type is varchar and the character length is 10. Next column is first name. Data type is varchar and the length is 45. Next column is last name. Data type is varchar and the length is also 45. Next, we have to add the gender column. Data type is varchar and the length is 10. The final column is contact number. Data type is varchar and the length is 10. And the next table we have to create is the product table. So product, first column is product ID. Data type is varchar, length is 10. Next column is product name. Data type is varchar and the length is 45. The next table we have to create is the brand table. Brand. First column is brand ID. Data type is varchar. The length is 10. Next column is brand name. Data type is varchar and the length is 45. So we created all the tables. Now let's move on to the next question. Customers who come to this store can buy as many items as they like. The store owner says that all purchased items must be stored in a database with a record. Design the database accordingly. Use the ER diagram for this. So first, let's add the relationship between the brand table and the product table. That's a one-to-many relationship. Now let's create the relationship between the customer table and the product table. That should be a many-to-many relationship, as any customer can buy as many items as they like. So let's create the relationship. The owner said that all the purchased items must be stored in the database with a record. So we have to add the ID. First, let's remove this product brand column. And next, let's create the new column, ID column, and set the data type as int integer, and we have to set that as a primary key, and we only need previous columns as foreign keys. So we remove this primary key marks, and also we want the id key to be auto increment. So our ER diagram is complete. Now let's forward engineer this to our database. As you can see, here is our database. So that's it for today's video, and thank you for watching.